Driver, this is the Idaho County Sheriff's Department. You are under arrest. Climb out your passenger side door with your hands up.
He's moving, guys.
You know, what started a minor traffic infraction on Highway 55 in Idaho, this happened in Idaho, instantly turned into a massive legal and financial nightmare. On February 5th, 2025, local highway patrol spotted a pickup truck pushing speed of up to 80 miles per hour. In a routine traffic stop, most drivers pull over, takes the ticket and handle it through their insurance company or a local traffic
Direct
attorney.
out, 1050, be 101.
Oh, it crashes that. He's so busted.
He can't get out.
Driver! Climb out your passenger door!
Can't tell
He
them.
can't get
I see
out.
him moving in the car.
Okay.
You got your
Can't
PA?
get out from that.
No, it's on your side. Stop!
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Department. Climb out your passenger side door with your hands up. Back up.
Go!
Drive on.
Get out of the way! Go!
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Department. You are under arrest. Climb out your passenger side door with your hands up.
You got a 40?
I don't.
Who's got a 40? I got 40 in my car.
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Department. You are under arrest. Climb out your passenger side door with your hands up.
I can see him moving into the vehicle.
He's at the driver's side.
What, is
Suck
he
in behind
trying
us
to
for right now.
escape?
Just suck in behind us for right now. Did anybody see? Did you see anybody in the car with him? I did not see anybody in the car.
I didn't see anybody either.
20-year-old male. I only saw one in the driver's seat when he passed by me. And
There was only one person in there when they came by.
Hey, Sheriff. So I'm thinking we blast the back window out with a 40,
Yep.
so we can get a clear view.
Yep.
Okay,
Lambert,
go over,
on the-
go over to his
Go over
side.
to his side.
Yeah. Get a bunch of them because it may not break the
I think
first
you
time.
have to shoot the
Do you
windshield.
want to aim for a corner on that?
What's that?
Aim
So
for a
it can
corner.
come
we'll
out.
go through.
Yeah, that's what it's going to hopefully. Can you keep giving them orders just to...
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Department. You are under arrest. You need to exit your vehicle immediately. Exit your vehicle through the passenger side door with your hands up.
Maybe up at the mouth of the canyon and stop traffic coming down.
Yeah, it sounds like he's revving his engine.
My radio's on.
Hey, you want back window, Captain?
Yeah, back window. Right on. Try right under
He's
the.
revving his engine, guys.
Pop him in the back window.
Oh, is he
now.
trying to escape?
Stand by. The 40 is going to be deployed, guys.
40 ready?
40's ready.
Stand by.
Oh,
What shot was that?
that's the wheel, though.
Would you hit the tailgate?
Yeah.
Try again.
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Office. You are under arrest. Exit your vehicle now.
Just yell. 40 go.
There.
Stand down with it.
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Office. You are under arrest.
Good job.
Show your hands and climb out of your vehicle now.
Nice shot, Hunter.
Yeah, nice shot, nice shot.
I got the driver. I can't see the driver with his hands. Nobody else in the vehicle that I can see.
Who's got lethal over there?
I got it. I got a pistol.
Can we get a rifle over there?
A rifle?
Yeah.
Rifle. Oh, sure.
Grab mine.
Rifle's in my car.
Just grab mine. Just grab mine.
Yeah, he's moving. He's right here. He's still in the driver's seat.
Driver, this is the Valley County Sheriff's Office.
Hunter, come here, man.
You must exit your vehicle now. Show us your hands and exit the vehicle.
Come out the back window.
Hey,
Driver, climb out through the back window.
hey, stand by. We're going to deploy the 40 one more time.
I'm gonna go front window. He's moving, guys.
Climb out the window!
Driver, show your hands and climb out the window. Now!
That was a good
Coming
shot.
back.
He's coming in the back seat.
Guys, come in the back seat.
Who's got... Somebody needs taser.
I got 40 still. Somebody's
Okay, I've got taser.
Oh, he's coming out. He's coming out.
Go now!
He's coming out.
He's drunk.
If he takes off up that hill, just let him go. He ain't going anywhere. Get out in the street and lay down. Get out in the street and lay down like an airplane. Get out in the street, in the middle of the road, and lay down like an airplane. Get out in the center. Who's going to clear the truck? We got him.
Babcock, clear truck. I got cuffing.
I got 40 coverage on whoever's going on, hands on.
Move, somebody go up with Babcock to clear that truck.
Babcock, here. I got 40.
Yeah, he's busted.
Here, you can go hands on when we get up.
Yeah.
Nope. Stand right here. Stop. Chris.
I can see in the back seat. Nobody in the back seat.
Clear. Clear. Driver, put your hands at the small of your back. Do not move. Do you understand me? Cuffing.
He's just 22 years old.
Under arrest. You have any weapons on you?
Sir.
Sit up on your butt. Stand up.
He's busted.
You can go in my car.
You know, the individual behind the wheel was identified as 22 years old Christian Ryan. Inside the cabin of the crashed truck, law enforcement uncovered an open bottle of gin. This single night of a terrible decision triggered a cascade of serious criminal charges. Ryan was originally booked for felony fleeing and eluding, assault or battery upon the law enforcement personnel, resisting an officer, and a DUI, which notably marked his second offense. When facing a multi-felony indictment like this, secure criminal defense representation is incredibly costly, and the judicial outcome are severe. Ultimately, Ryan entered a guilty plea to a felony fleeing charge and his second offense, DUI. While his legal team managed to get the remaining charges dismissed in a plea deal, the state did not let him walk away free. The judge handed down a state prison sentence carrying a minimum mandatory term for 1 year and 9 months, with a maximum exposure of 5 years behind bars. At just 22 years old, he learned the hardest way possible how a split-second decision can cost you years of your freedom. But what do you think about this video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.